Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, the first thing I thought I might ask is for those of you that do view the YouTube videos, if you found last Thursday's helpful. The only comment that currently rests on this was, I can't see a thing on this chart, which I guess I would say is good feedback. I appreciate you guys letting me know. This was showcasing the 10x indicator, and I sometimes can have trouble seeing the default colors. So this is what I change it to. But again, not bad feedback. I just want to make sure that we are not missing the forest for the trees, because we had some really good setups to look at last Thursday. That started with this 39-minute squeeze in NVIDIA. And I was speaking to the idea that Friday could get up here and test 500, but that 500 would be a key area of resistance for Friday, and then we might have some room on Monday and possibly into Tuesday. Now, what that's working off of, again, at the heart of it is the squeeze, but then you're working with the idea that the 500 is resistance because market makers do not want to pay all of the $500 calls that expired last Friday. So the product settles just below that. All of those contracts expire, and then look at where we were today. So again, taking that commentary or that little piece of feedback on that and looking instead at these candlesticks. So through these candles, we can see the 39-minute squeeze. Friday's mostly consolidation that lets those options fall off. And then when the signal goes on to fire, a very nice move going from 91 up into 505. And this is the type of performance that you like to see from those swing-based, still short-term, but swing-based setups. So again, hoping that you find the YouTube venue helpful, hoping that I am working to bring you active setups, and then from this one, moving over into Tesla. So Tesla is the next in that same type of formation. Now it's important to remember, as much as these signals may look similar, Tesla is a very different setup because it does not have the same proximity to a lifetime high, right? When you are that close to the lifetime high, it's a little easier to get up there and grab that level. Tesla setup is a little bit different, but as long as we can stay above 230, this is the line in the sand for me into tomorrow. I think pullbacks into this should be bought. Looking for 240 and then potentially up into 250, possibly by next week. So I hope you guys are finding these reviews, the setups helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or otherwise, please do leave them in the chat. I hope you found the adjustment of tonight's charts helpful and look forward to picking it up with you in the next free video. Y'all have a great night, and I'll see you then. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.